Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. This is a 3.0 premium model, all-wheel drive, a very nicely equipped with features. We have a moonroof, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package on it, we have a rear parking camera, great sounding Bose audio system. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan. It's built on the advanced front chip platform, which has been used in the Infiniti product line for a long time, since the early 2000s. I've owned several Infinitis myself, built on the FM platform. I currently have an FX37, which shares some DNA with the Q50. The advanced front chip platform is a rear-wheel drive based platform. Of course, you can have all-wheel drive added onto it. And it's actually shared with the Nissan 370Z and 350Z. They're also built on that FM platform. So even though this is a luxury sedan with that advanced front midship platform, this has lots of sports car pedigree. And I'll talk to you more about that shortly. Okay, so we have a drive mode selector here. That'll make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, things like that. So you have a lot of choices: snow, eco, standard, sport, and you can personalize it. We have a 7-speed automatic transmission, only transmission in the Q50. And you have manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, pull to the left, you push up to upshift, and you pull back to downshift. You'll get rev match downshift for a sportier sound and feel. We have a heated seats, heated steering wheel. The Q50 has a dual display system. In fact, when the Q50 first came out in 2014, it was pretty revolutionary. It was the first vehicle to have a dual display system like this. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. Drill down a little bit deeper if you want. Dual zone auto climate control, nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel is also power, tilting and telescoping. I've been with Infiniti for about 18 years. A really big fan of the brand. The Q50 is built and assembled in Japan. If you do value Japanese build quality, not all Japanese vehicles are made in Japan. Not all Infinitis are made in Japan, but the Q50 is made in Japan. Excellent build quality from those Japanese manufacturing facilities. And even though it is a compact, you still have a decent amount of rear seat legroom. Looks beautiful in black on black. We just had a detail. They did a beautiful job buffing it. Black can be a tough color, but they did a great job. Almost looks like a mirror. Good sized trunk, and you can also fold down the rear seats for more cargo space. So let's talk about the intelligent all-wheel drive system. This has an intelligent all-wheel drive system called a TESA. TESA stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. It's a rear-wheel drive based all-wheel drive system. It's actually derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. See, more sports car pedigree. They've been using this all-wheel drive system in Infiniti products since the early 2000s. It's very reliable. It uses an electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive. So electricity travels fast, so the all-wheel drive system can activate very fast. So basically, under normal driving conditions, it's 100% rear-wheel drive. That gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. It also helps you save on gas. But as soon as those rear wheels slip, the car has a brain. It can tell. It can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels in low traction situations, and it can do it in milliseconds, less than a second, milliseconds. So basically, it sends current to the electromagnetic differential, activates the magnet, that activates the all-wheel drive system, and then you have all-wheel drive. These things do great in wet, slippery weather. It's going to greatly improve your wet weather performance. This does have 300 horsepower, so it's got a good amount of power. A rear-wheel drive version of this would quickly get overwhelmed in wet and slippery conditions. Even if you get more aggressive of the throttle and dry conditions, that can activate the traction control. That's going to happen a lot less, because instead of sending power to 2 wheels, you have the ability to send power to 4 wheels. I've driven plenty of these in the snow. They do awesome in the snow. And let's talk about the engine. There's multiple engines available in the Q50 in 2017. This is the most popular one, the 3-liter twin turbo V6. Pumps out 300 horsepower. Very fuel efficient, very responsive, wonderful sounding engine. Beautiful automobile. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. One more thing before I end this video. I want to talk about the advanced front chip platform a little bit more. The reason why they call it the advanced front chip platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so it's close to 50-50 weight distribution, making it very, very nice handling. It's able to rotate on its axis, so it's very fun in the corners, very responsive. It's a luxury car and it's a sports car, and these are wonderful. They're very, very popular used vehicles for us, and I don't expect this one to hang around long. All right, now I'm done. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. We have complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler. We can tow it to you. We can print up all the paperwork. So with our mobile delivery service, you can have this beautiful Q50 without possibly leaving your neighborhood or even your driveway. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.